Hey guys, welcome, and this is our fraction decimal percent foldable. So you should have that paper. Okay, I'm going to fill in the step 1. This is for the fraction and 2 decimal tab. Step 1 is to divide top in, bottom out. If you need to pause the video as we go, just do so. I'm going to keep going. So our example is 2/5. We need to change that to a decimal. So we need to divide this. Top goes inside the house. So 2 goes in, 5 is out. 5 needs to go into 2, but it can't. So I'm going to add a decimal and a 0. 5 into 20 goes 4 times. 4 times 5 is 20. Nothing left over. So 0.4 is our final answer. Okay, moving along. This is on the mixed fraction to decimal flap. Our step 1 is to move the whole number to your final answer spot. Step 2, divide fraction, top in, bottom out. Okay, so here is my answer. Step 1 says to my problem. Step 1 says to move the whole number to your final answer spot. So I know -4 is going to be, it's going to be a whole number of a -4 something. And now I need to work with this 5, 6. So I need to divide. See how much 6 can go into 5? It can't, so I add a decimal and a 0. 6 goes into 50. 8 times, 6 times 8 is 48. I have 2 left over. Bring down a 0, 6 into 20. 6 goes into 23 times. 3 times 6 is 18. I have 2 left over, so it looks like the 3 is about to repeat here. So not the 8, just the 3, so I'm going to put a repeater there. Be -4.83 with the 3 repeating. That would be our answer there. Okay, moving to the next flap. We're looking at the decimal to fraction tab. Step 1 says see what place value the last digit is in. Step 2, place the number over that place value. And step 3, simplify the fraction. Alright, so here is our example. Step 1, see what place value the last digit is in. The last digit here, my pen's not working now, there it goes. The last digit is in the hundredths place. So I need to put that number over 100. I know my final answer is going to be a negative, so I won't worry about that right now. So 14 over 100. And now we need to simplify the fraction. See, they're both even, so I could at least divide by 2. Gives me 7 over 50. 7 is a prime number, so that means that this is simplified. So my answer would be -7 over 50 is the equivalent of -0.14. Okay, looking at our next flap. Repeating decimals to fractions. Step 1 says see what place value the last digit is in. Step 2, place the number over that place value. Step 3, subtract 1 from the denominator. And step 4, simplify the fraction. Alright, here's our example that we're going to use. It says see what place value the last digit is in. This is in the tenths place value. So I'm going to put 5 over 10. It says subtract 1 from the denominator, so I need to subtract 1. So that's really 5 over 9. Then simplify the fraction if I can. This is simplified, so this would be the equivalent fraction to this repeating decimal. Moving on. Repeating decimals to mixed fractions. Step 1, move the whole number to your final answer spot. Step 2, see what place value the last digit is in. Step 3, place the number over that place value. Step 4, subtract 1 from the denominator. And step 5, simplify the fraction. Okay, here is my example. It says move the whole number to your final answer spot. So -6 is moved over here. See what place value the last digit is in. The 7 is in the hundredths place. So I'm going to put 17 over 100. Subtract 1 from the denominator. Subtract 1. Then I get 17 over 99. And 17 is a prime number, so that can't be divided. So my equivalent fraction here would be -6 wholes and 17 over 99. So that would be the same as this here. Okay, that should be all our flaps for the fraction decimal percent foldable. Thanks for listening. Have a great day. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Peace out.